I'm today in front of new Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then just tap to the sounds and vibration section. Here you will see the media column, ring, notification and alarm volume panels. You can just change the volumes by swap these dots to the left or to the right side. Also we got here the vibration focal section, the multi-volume, the don't disturb mode. You can turn on or turn off these options. Now we'll go to the advanced options. Here as can you see we got the media. You can show your media player. Also the phone ringtone, you can change the ringtone, notification and alarm sounds. So get here the dial pad tones, they're just activated, and if you'll just tap on your dial pad you can hear the sounds. Also you get here the touch sound. We'll just turn it off, and now we'll just tap somewhere on our screen, or also we'll just open the applications. We can hear the touch sounds on our device. We can just also disable the touch vibration, the power on sounds. We can turn it on or turn off. Also you just can enable or disable these all options by tap here once on the switchers, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.